Hello! In this tutorial, you'll learn about setting up your ThoughtFarmer Internet homepage. When you see your ThoughtFarmer site's homepage for the first time, you see the bare bones homepage, an empty canvas waiting for your input. Happily, in ThoughtFarmer, it doesn't take long to create an engaging, informative, and attractive Internet homepage. The Internet you see here has already had options for colors, fonts, logos, and other design elements applied. This video doesn't cover how to apply those Internet theming choices, but you'll find them in the theme page on the administration panel. This Internet has also had its site hierarchy built out, so there are more pages in the navigation than you'll have when you get started. The activity card appears on the homepage by default, and at first there's nothing in it, but as you and others start doing things on the Internet, it'll fill up with activity and be a snapshot of what's going on the Internet. To start setting up your homepage, click the gear icon on the right of the top navigation bar, and in the menu that opens, click on Edit Homepage. This page is where you'll really build out and control what your homepage looks like. By default, the title of your homepage is Home. You can leave it as Home or change it to something that fits the feel of your organization's Internet better. Now you have a few navigation options to choose from. If you select the checkbox Display Home in the top navigation bar, a link to your homepage will appear in the top navigation bar. Keep in mind that users can also get to the homepage by clicking the Intranet site logo, the Home icon in the application toolbar, or the Home link in the SuperNav. If you select Enable drop-down menus in the top navigation, a drop-down menu of subpages will appear when you hover over a page link in the top navigation bar. There is only one homepage for your Internet, so the content type and template are auto-selected. Your next step is to set up the cards that you want on your homepage. Click Set Up Cards on the right. The homepage template comes with a few cards in it by default. Cards are the building blocks of Internet pages, components that can take the form of a newsfeed, a block of text, a calendar, or other page features. To add or remove cards or change the layout of the template, click Modify Template. Click the column layout icon on the top right to change the number or relative width of the homepage columns. You can choose a 2-column layout with a narrow left column and a wide right column, a 3-column layout with narrow left and right columns and a wide center column, or a 3-column layout with a narrow left column and equal-sized middle and right columns. Click on the layout you want to select it. To add a new card, click the plus sign in the column you want to add the card to. Then click on the card you want to add in the menu on the right. Repeat to add more cards. To remove a card that you don't want, click the trash can icon on that card. Drag and drop cards to change the card order or column placement. Cards that have a gear icon require setup to display on the homepage. Click the gear icon on a card to open the setup window for that card. For instance, to have news display in a news card, you need to select a source page for the news to come from. This may be a news, forum, calendar, or blog page that has already been created on the Internet or an external website. There are a number of other options to explore for the layout and appearance of your news card. Once posts have been created in the news source you have selected, they will appear in the news card on the homepage. Some other cards that require some setup are mini calendar, news carousel, photo collection, poll, quick links, and rich text. I'll quickly set up a few here. The quick links card needs you to add the page, URL, or email links that you want to display. For the poll card, you need to choose whether to display the latest poll created on the Internet or one specific poll. Choose which existing Internet calendar to display for the mini calendar card. The news carousel card works best when you choose a news source that has vibrant images selected for each news post. The photo collection card displays a selection of photos from an already existing Internet photo gallery that you choose. So now the homepage will be starting to fill out. Click Done in the Card Setup window and save the page to see your homepage. Users will see the same general homepage layout that you've created, but the homepage also contains content unique to them. Recent news and activity from a user's groups show on the homepage and allow them to interact with what matters most to them on the Internet. Security settings that control what pages a user can view on the Internet also apply to what appears on their homepage. If you've configured your Internet to be multilingual, you can also set up a multilingual homepage. When editing the homepage, click the Language drop-down in the top right to select the language page that you want to set up. You can then modify the homepage title for that language and customize certain cards to that language, such as the quick links and rich text cards. Users can choose their preferred language in their profile settings. If a homepage is available in their preferred language, that is the homepage that will display for them. Your Internet homepage will give users their first impression of the Internet. It's also the place they'll keep coming back to for the information they need and for help in doing their jobs. Create a useful and engaging homepage with the features described in this video to help your users connect with your organization's intranet.